Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Knowing money is a competitive advantage. Businesses are always looking for a competitive advantage, whether it's a better offer, better program, better marketing, better sales scripts, or things in their business that create stickiness to improve retention. But when you look at the failure rates of businesses and know that 2 of the top 5 reasons are due to a lack of financial intelligence, wouldn't having financial intelligence kind of be like a competitive advantage on its own? Yeah? So if you and your competitors are both looking to grow your businesses, which mainly score that success by its financials, the business with the better financials wins. The ones that understand it the best wins. When you could truly understand the details and the numbers of whatever game you're playing, you can make adjustments that a lesser version of you wouldn't even think of, leaving you banging your head against the wall wondering why things aren't working. So here are some of my favorite books that really break down the numbers. You guys can write these down or take a picture, whatever you guys want to do. These are some of my favorite books that really breaks down the numbers part of the business game in a really good way, easy way to understand as well. If you can learn and understand the concepts in these books, plus the trainings that we're giving you not only here, but in our online portal, you'll absolutely have a competitive advantage over your less than savvy competitors.